Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode I'm going to go to Costco for some keto foods and get some ketogenic food from Costco. Shopping trip coming up next. Shopping for keto meats coming up next. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free email newsletter down below to get my weekly Wednesday encouragement emails.
We're not going to get that fit.
Why? Are you going to get one of these and then maybe shrimp to go with it? They're sold on a video bird. And are we going to grill these too?
No, we're going to pick one or the other.
Or we're debating about getting the T-bone, one of the two. We have a small family. We're going to get the smallest one possible, and we'll divide this out by thirds. And then this will be our crock pot for some pulled pork.
Okay, maybe some pork shoulder, and we could do a.
And this is how the Count organizes his cart. It's meticulously organized. So y'all know I love Bad Byron's, but this would be a good rub to get. The ingredients look really good. It's $8.99. It is a choice for your meat seasoning, as is the Old Bay. For anybody, it is August and that I'm filming this, almost beginning of September. They have Play-Doh packages. It's $10 for this whole 50 pack, just FYI. They're great birthday little things. My sweet husband got me some roses too. How nice was that? So here's everything that I got from Costco for my keto meats. Let me show you everything I got. But first, how sweet is this? The Count got me 2 dozen roses. They were on sale too for only 14 bucks. Woohoo! But let's talk about keto meats. First thing was I got more chicken wing packs. It's 6 packs. Each pack has a dozen. 6 packs for $20.50. That's less than, it's like $3.33 per dozen wings. At BW3's, you're paying at least $10 for that, and they're so good in my air fryer. I'll put down in the description link below my air fryer video of how I cook those to make them taste better than BW3's. The next thing that we got, and again, so our total Costco bill was $164. I got included in that my roses, which were $14, and then a $10 jacket for my son if they had a Spider-Man jacket. So take it, it's basically $140 for all of these meats. We will use this for the entire month for our meats for keto, and I'll use my freezer to help with keto budgeting. But we also got some lobster tails. There was 2 of them for $22. This is great on the grill. The Count loves grilling these up. So each one is like 10 bucks, which is great relative if you went out to a restaurant to have that. The next thing we got was our amazing New York strip steaks, 4-pack. $38. So basically it's making about $9 per steak. Each steak feeds 2 people, in our family at least. So so it's basically $4.50 per steak serving, which is awesome. And these, quite frankly, to me are better than Outback or Longhorn steaks. They're so good. The next meat that I got, and by the way, I will put Kerrygold butter on top of that. Same thing for the wings. You can mix up in a butter sauce or put a ton of pink Himalayan salt on the wings as well. The next thing that I for the lobster tail, dip it in butter. We melt butter, and that's amazing. The next thing that we got to have as like a little entree, I won't use the whole thing. I will split this in fact up into 2 or 3 portions. It was 19 bucks for this whole package of shrimp. I'll put in the description link below how I steam shrimp. It's super simple. It's super easy. Will be delicious. I'll put some Old Bay on top of it. Super, super good. And again, I will freeze the other portion, and then when I'm ready to use it, I just use the frozen shrimp and then steam them, and they're delicious. These ones have, the heads are off, but they're in the shells with the tails on. The next thing that I got, and is probably the biggest thing because the Count is so excited about it, is, it's so heavy. What is this? It is pork shoulder. It was $30.60 for this huge thing. I'm gonna cut it up into 3 portions, and it will be, and I could even do in 4 portions, but I might just cut it into 3 because then when I make it, we'll have leftovers with it. And my Crock-Pot video, which I'll put in the description link below, of how I do my keto Crock-Pot. It's so good, it's so easy, it's simple, right? Like I love Crock-Pot meals because they're simple and you can just put them in the morning and then have dinner ready at night. So my husband was excited when he saw that they had this there. It's huge, huge, huge. So I'm just literally gonna cut it up and put into Ziploc bags and put them in the freezer for what we don't use. And that's how we have our whole month's worth of keto meat, right? Like super, super simple, super easy. If you like this video, make sure you put in the comments below keto meat, so I need to do more videos just like this one. If you like it, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Hey guys, if you like this video, put in the comments below keto meat, and I'll do more videos just like this one. So I actually ended up getting 6 freezer packages of the pork shoulder, which is basically $5 per meal. It'll feed my family of 3 plus leftovers. And I have a Crock-Pot recipe I'll put in the link below, but 6 of them, I'm so excited. It was way more meat than I actually thought it was going to be. 6 of them, $5 a piece. That is an amazing deal. Hey guys, if you like this video, put in the comments below keto meat so I know to do more videos just like this one. And also, this is not all the keto meat at Costco. This is just what we got for 1 month's worth of meat for our family. There's certainly a large variety, like we looked at fish, we looked at a couple of other things that you can make keto with high fat with it. The cheapest thing to do though that you've seen in some of my other videos, which I'll link below, is my Aldi video, is getting chicken thighs or chicken drumsticks on sale at, say, Aldi, and you can have meat less expensive than this. We like to mix this higher end meat with our lower end meat throughout the week just for budgeting purposes too. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my free email newsletter down below to get my weekly Wednesday encouragement emails.